This video chart presentation is Southern Arc Minerals, brought to you by allpenny.stocks.com. Southern Arc trades on the Toronto Venture Exchange under ticker SA. It's our Canadian stock to watch this week. See the chart's holding a real nice bottom, support all the way down at 27 and 28 cents. But more importantly, there's a good support level right there at 30 cents, and the stock is pressing on a resistance point at 33. While that's happening, seeing a very nice uptrend in the MACD, both in the short term, and I'm not scaled back far enough. It's pretty plain to see in the long term as well. MACD is continually trending upward as the price per share is trending down. That's called a positive divergence. That's a very common reversal position. So be watching for this MACD to continue to trend towards zero. See if the 12 and 26 EMAs can push through that mark, which will be putting this chart into a bullish trend. PPO trending back towards zero after a PPO ADX pinch. There's a second sort of setup that I always look for. It's a real nice position for the PPO and ADX to be aligned like this as the chart's holding a base. Again, it's one more signal of a possible reversal. Not getting great signs at this point from the MFI. I always look for all three components to be over top of 50. While the stock is basing, the accumulation distribution is putting together a slight uptrend, and the Chaikin money flow is saying that buying pressure is outweighing selling pressure. Again, both positive signs. CCI needs to break through 100 to drop an official buy signal. See it turn sideways, flatlined right against it at this point. But the full still, holding over top of 50, says that momentum is trying to stay in this play. Tricks, also a sign of trend, trending back towards zero. RSIs, with the stock closing flat yesterday and only 16,000 shares traded, it really sucked a little bit of momentum out of the play, with that volume level being a little less than average. So as I referenced in so many of these videos, be looking for the RSIs to move above and hold over top of 50. Much more bullish position if that happens. And it's at a key point right now with trying to make that move. Very bottom support at 27, a little bit more at 28, even a little bit more at 29. But for me, I won't want to see this stock close below 30 cents. If it does, the odds of it falling lower, breaking through 27 are greatly increased. There's also some additional support in at 31, but I'd use 30 as my key point, and that's what I'd be looking for to hold. Now there's initial resistance right here at 33. For about a month now, it hasn't been able to punch through that level. Here comes the 50-day moving average. It's registering a 35.1, but of course it is dynamic. If this stock continues to trend sideways, it's going to meet up at that point and reinforce 33. Right now it's reinforcing the resistance point of 35 cents, which there's also some static resistance at that level. So this 33 to 35 is going to be a tough area for it. But with the chart showing a pretty strong shift in trend, I'd be looking for an increase in volume, which will pull some strong momentum back into the play. And I'd look for it to take out those levels because I don't see much more resistance coming in until around 40 cents. And I would even consider that secondary. I don't see strong resistance coming in until up around 45. And certainly 47, which was an old support level in the past. But either case, even at 45 cents, that's a pretty substantial upside from current levels. And a reason we put this chart on radar this week as one to watch as a potential bottom play is there's some solid long-term indications that this chart may be finding a true bottom. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the SA chart. But as always, this is merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.